down. No one else has the same story.
I parboiled the rice, so I'll set the rice aside. Then I'll start preparing the sauce I will use for the rice. Guys, keep watching. Okay, this is my vegetable oil. I added vegetable oil to the pot, added some onion and garlic. I'll add my diced tomato and pepper to the hot oil. Then I'll leave it to cook for some minutes. Yes, I'm turning it so that it will be well incorporated. Then I'll cover it for 2 minutes to be ready. Then I'll add my rice. Guys, keep watching. Okay, let's add salt and some other seasoning to this mix. Okay, keep watching, guys. And after putting the seasoning, rosemary, thyme, curry, and any seasoning of your choice, nutmeg and all that, guys, you have to see how the aroma is everywhere. Guys, keep watching. I'm gonna add the rice, the parboiled rice that was set aside, to the mix on the gas. Then add some little water to cook. So this ingredient they have to cook, and before you know it, it's ready, guys. Look at it.